So the video I'm about to put up today profiles a different side of my business. I'm doing some work in the middle of a real estate transaction, which is an interesting spot to be for a contractor. You have to be respectful of the seller and watch the budget, but you also have to think about the buyer of the real estate and make sure that the repairs you're making are good, mechanically sound repairs. So that's what we did today. We had a job that was found by a home inspector during a home inspection on a real estate transaction. It had a bad vent job on the water heater and furnace, and the April air humidifier had been dismantled, so we need to get that working as well. So here's a job where I have to look at both sides of the fence, do quality repairs on a tight budget. So this is my job today. I've got to take this nasty vent that's all rusted apart. I already started taking apart the water heater. They had the wrong size vent on this water heater. I think they're trying to make do with what they had already installed here. This is cracked, falling apart. It's all rusted. Oh, look at this. V-vent just come right out. V-vent just came right out. Put that on the stack. And they had done a goofy thing with, I don't know who, this is somebody's company, with this vent. They went from 4 to 5 right there at the furnace. There's the coupling that did it. And then they just kept reusing an old 5-inch to 6-inch vent. And we're gonna put a new one in right there and reconnect it up in the attic where it came apart. Good times. I get to crawl through this hole out into this attic to fix a vent, which you can't see till I get around the corner, but I'll start it back up when I get around the corner here. All right, so now I'm up in the attic. And this is what I have. This vent isn't even connected. It's been dumping carbon monoxide and exhaust gases up into the attic for who knows how long. Gotta get that reconnected. There, that's better. Now it's connected. I think what happened was when they put the water heater venting in downstairs, they must have twisted this pipe and made it pop out. Inspected the inside of it. It's still nice and clear. This is just some surface crap. There's no actual perforations in it. So this is the draft bonnet that they had on this unit, so they could reuse that goofy pipe. I'm just looking around, and right there, this is the actual draft hood that's been supposed to have come with this water heater. Lines up in the holes. We'll go ahead and we'll put the right one back on. So I got this new tool. It's tough to do one-handed, so I had to set my phone down. I'll show you how this works. I'm pretty happy with that. It's the Malco C5A2. I think it's called the Impact. I don't even know what it's called, but it's pretty nice. So now that I got this venting out in the back of my van and take a look at it, it's worse than I thought inside. Look at this goofy work. Yeah, that's not how you're supposed to have this water heater vented. So now we've got it all repaired. Nice 3, 4, 5. Legitimately placed water heater vent, and it was all set. We wired the humidifier back up. There's the wire, and she's running. We're good to go.